Hello, Nick with Sharp here, and today I'm going to videotape Cough Drop DVD menu. So here we go. Play movie. Play movie with 5.1 surround. Cough Drop. Play movie with 5.1 surround, and that's it. So thank you for telling me that, and goodbye.